The reason I want to go to the Bahamas is the Atlantis Hotel is there. The awesome beaches are there too. Holla. Last but not least, I really want to go on the humongous water slide. Oh yeah. Paradise Island, Bahamas is formerly known as Hog Island. Pictures, Google Images. Music, iMovie. Voice recording, Avery Hutchins. Director, Avery Hutchins. Thank you for watching.